Hi, my name is Ewan Char, and I want to thank you for watching. I'm the author of the #1 international best-selling book, How I Made My First Million on the Internet and How You Can Too. This book is the only book about the internet business to be a #1 best-selling book around the world. And today, I run businesses online that makes millions of dollars every year. But you can be sure that I didn't start out this way. In fact, when I began, I knew absolutely nothing and I had to learn the business as well. So if you have the desire to become financially free with your own online business, this may be the most important video that you will ever watch, because I'm going to teach you how you can build your own business online as well, even if you have absolutely no knowledge, no experience, and no technical skills. In fact, you'll be learning how I help a 50-year-old housewife to make over 36,000 US dollars in a year with her own part-time internet business while she's doing housework at home. And you will also learn how I help a farmer with no previous experience and no technical skills to make over 120,000 US dollars a year running his business online as well. And also, I'm going to share with you the very inspiring story of how a middle-aged blue-collar worker, a man, was able to do over 450,000 US dollars in a year running an internet business in his spare time and providing a future for himself and his family as well. Now, this business that you're going to run and learn about is very important because it's able to provide you with freedom and it's able to provide you with the way to do the business at your own time, at your own pace. And what I've done is, I'm going to share all this with you in a session. And all you need to do is to click to register for the session right now. Seats are limited, so I hope you can make it. And what you need to do is to mark the date down on your calendar, the time, put an alarm to make sure that you turn out on time, because the information that you're going to learn is extremely important for you and for your business building future as well. So I hope to see you in the coming days, and I really hope to share this with you, all the secrets that I've learned about the internet business for the past 20 years and how to do this in a correct manner so that you will get results. Even if you are a complete beginner, you have no experience and no technical skills. So once again, click the link to register, mark the date down, and I'm going to see you in the session.